Hello everyone, welcome back to Sapna Cooks and welcome to my What's for Lunch series. Today for lunch I had some leftover cooked rice which I turned into tamarind rice here. Now with this tamarind rice I'm going to make a very simple sauteed mushrooms. Doesn't require a lot of ingredients. I have some button mushrooms, few shallots, 2 green chillies and some garlic and salt and pepper for seasoning. It's very simple, so let's get started. So we are first going to rinse this button mushrooms and remove the dirt that you see on the skin, and rinsing it once is enough as long as you take these dirt off, that's all. So now the mushrooms are washed and clean, there is no dirt, you can see. Now let's cut them into cubes. Just cut the base of the stem this way and then it's good to go. So we have our cubed mushrooms ready to cook. Let's get started. Just lightly crush them with the skin and we're going to use it as it is. Let's add some coconut oil. Add garlic, and saute green chilies and shallots. Now the onions are done and we have cooked this for roughly 2 minutes, not more, less than 2 minutes actually. At this stage, now we can add our cubed mushrooms. Keep the flame on medium-high and mix them well. You can see mushrooms have started shrinking in size and they are releasing water. Now reduce the heat to medium. Let's add some salt. Cover it up and let it cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. The mushrooms look almost done. It has released all the water, and now we can continue to cook it without the lid. Let's add some pepper. Our mushrooms are done and they are ready to be served. Let's taste it.
So delicious, you should give this a try.